This 2017 Ford Ranger PX XL Ute is exclusive to Midway Ford, Perth's family-run and independent Ford dealership. This Ranger is the current model PX and is basically brand new. It has 20-inch alloy wheel upgrade with mud terrain tyres, a 2-inch lift kit, custom sports bar, side steps and bonnet trims. This car also has the technology with reverse cameras and sensors. This particular Ranger comes with the remainder of its new car warranty and can be made easily affordable with our amazing finance specials on offer at Midway Ford, Perth's family-run and independent Ford dealership.